Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, the #1 channel on YouTube. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we have a highly requested topic for you guys. We will be looking at Gaming with Kev and Flamingo are beefing. We'll cover everything in this video, so sit tight, get something to eat and stay tuned. Let's get straight into the video. Number 5. Considering that Flamingo has 8.4 million subscribers and has uploaded a larger amount of videos in comparison to Kev, it's natural for him to be annoyed as his work is getting stolen without consent. Not just that, but Flamingo's content was more or less being taken advantage of and created into a much better video as a whole by Kev. Kev's negligence towards addressing the matter meant he was probably guilty, but who knows? Maybe it was just a mere coincidence. Number 4. The main beef started between them when Gaming with Kev got attacked verbally by Flamingo as he got offended by the fact that Gaming with Kev usually refuses to make Roblox videos with other Roblox YouTubers, and he took this fact to heart. However, Gaming with Kev clearly stated that he does not like chowing or clout or promoting other YouTubers, and he likes to keep up with his grind by himself. He likes to maximize his views by himself, and he also has around 2,090 videos on his channel. This shows how his self-esteem is really high as he likes to do all his grind solo and does not require assistance. Although he has a family, they do not play a major role in his gaming career, and this leads to how Gaming with Kev cleared up that he likes to game by himself and is really not that deep for some people. Number 3, on the other hand, Flamingo is married and has a wife, but that doesn't mean that he has to stop playing the game, as he sees the same thing for himself and all the other people on the Roblox platform. Flamingo thinks that if he can handle the whole YouTube and personal life thing together, then all the others, including Gaming with Kev, can. Gaming with Kev tries to ignore this fact, which is also a big reason why Flamingo hates Gaming with Kev. However, Flamingo takes his words to heart to really hit up everyone's reaction on officialize this beef. At the end of the day, they are both content creators for their own viewers, and depending on the majority of their viewers' request, they should make actions such as collabing with another Roblox YouTuber or doing something by themselves, such as playing an obby or doing Roblox Adopt Me in a solo server. As long as viewers are satisfied with the content and behavior of the preferred Roblox YouTuber, no beef should be considered deeply. Number 2. YouTuber Flamingo had called out Kevin in a Twitter post showing that Kevin had stolen Albert's thumbnails. Albert also says that he had stolen thumbnails from Dennis also. After a while, a trend of calling Kevin stealing with Kev had become popular. However, Kevin had never responded to both of them. There are also rumors that he stole thumbnails from other YouTubers. In short, Gaming with Kev was most likely guilty of his misconduct, and it's fair to say that no YouTuber would take this matter lightly. Number 1. The last reason the two are beefing is most likely because it is fake. At the end of the day, there is no concrete evidence that the two are beefing about anything really, apart from the thumbnail controversy that happened a few months ago. Other than that, both of them are being such popular Roblox YouTubers, it's also possible that the two are just making fake drama. You may ask why they are, and it is simply to get attention and views. Although it's a bad way to grow bigger on YouTube, it's a small thing that can be taken advantage of, and viewers are just naturally more interested in drama rather than entertaining content. Nonetheless, Gaming with Kev continues to upload normally and consistently, averaging about 500 views per video, whereas Flamingo averages at about 700,000. So the two are doing relatively well regardless of their beef or not. It's safe to say that the two have probably moved on from any hatred towards each other, and as long as they continue to upload funny and entertaining content, there's nothing for us to dig into our noses into there. And that wraps up their video. That's all from me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you guys could hit the like on this video and turn on notification so when I upload next you guys get notified would mean a lot. Also, if you guys could hit the big red button and subscribe to my channel, it would be great. That's all from me today. See you guys in the next video, and peace.